I came in because I heard her say Moana. What's today?
Tuesday, December 9th.
December 9th. Let me see. So yes, she ran in here and pulled them out. So yes, on Moana. Oh, they're green too. Yeah. So that's right on time. You want to go upstairs and put them in your drawer?
Yes.
Okay. And this is Hershey with the Minute Maid out here. Oh my God, she in the window looking, waiting for Kara's van. I ordered this ornament. It just came yesterday. It's so pretty. So it says 2025 at the bottom, right? At the bottom of the castle. And then our names are at the top in the balloons. So Sydney, I don't know if you can tell, but she's Elsa. And Mickey is Daddy. Minnie is Mommy. And Kara is Belle. So, oh my goodness, I love it so much. So yeah, I don't know whether it should go. I think I'm gonna put it on the family tree. I was in here on the Disney tree, and yeah, I think I want to put it in there since it's all of us. So here's the family suitcase, girl, right next to the Amazon boxes. Yes, on that. So I have to find a spot. Yes, it's so pretty. Yeah, that's perfect. So I'm gonna set my timer. I'm gonna set my timer for about 10-15 minutes, right? I wanna get into the coat closet. It's a mess. I mean, it's not a mess, but it's stuff all over the place. I just need to organize it quick and fast. So, you know, when the girls come in, they're not just kind of throwing their stuff, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night, without you I'm falling deeper. Stay a bit longer, yeah, I just need you to, stay a bit longer, I just need you to. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. I can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yeah. get so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope Santa won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. I love the snow and I love the scarves, the candles lighting the decade malls. But something's missing. I wonder what. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope Santa won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Santa, won't you forget about it, Santa? I won't forgive you for it, Santa. Won't you forget about it? Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you.
I love them rosy noses. I love them mistletoes. I love them cheesy pieces on television. And I cry like a baby each time. See, the hero gets the girl, and I got a Merry Christmas crush. There's nothing like a fire, like angels in the snow. I never will be tired of this adorable season. Got a real feel-good flow. Oh, and every carol is a rush. Got a Merry Christmas crush. Tonight I wanna celebrate. Tonight I wanna dream away. See the shimmer in the eyes of every happy Christmas child. A Merry, Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. A Merry, Merry Christmas. So Merry Christmas to you. Let's have joyful.
Oh, wow. So now that it's all organized in here, he grabbed Kara's jacket. He ready to go. Oh, my goodness. Hey, guys, I'm home. I'm still floored by that naked palette. Oh, my goodness. Let me pop this. This looks like, oh, I thought it was going to be a little difficult. Who's that in there? Is that Slinky Dog? Wait a minute. Slinky Dog, yes. So you know, this is Kara's favorite ride. Actually, it's all four of us in Hollywood Studios. Yes, on Slinky Dog. Wait till I show her. That is so funny. So that is day 9. That is so adorable. I didn't get a chance to do anything this morning because I was all in the closet and trying to clean up and throw towels in. Elf's Maple Herbal Tea. You gotta stop it on that. I've never even heard of maple herbal tea. So yes on that. Yes on Harry Potter. And thank you guys so much for all your comments on the Harry Potter tree in the new space last night. So you know the part that says, I solemnly swear that I am up to, and then no good. I had them switched. I dropped them. And when I picked them back up, I thought I picked it up in order. So it's out of order. It says, I solemnly swear no good that I am up to. And one of you guys pointed it out. No, girl, I ain't do that on purpose. I didn't even know until you told me. So thank you so, so much. So day 9, Paintings of Hogwarts. Oh, yes on that. I love these little books. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Yes on that. So yeah, day 9. I was like, oh my goodness, I had to actually go back in the video and I just bust out laughing. I was like, I wonder who else picked up on that. Yes. So her 9 isn't where my 9 was, but it's the same size. Well, she got a book too. Oh, it's like a, let me see. It's like a chalk, right? Sticker. Mm-hmm. I think we have chalk upstairs. It's a sticker, Mommy. Look. See?
Yeah.
So, yes, on day 9. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, no, it's not the same size. Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. She's just going to use it as a sticker.
Yeah.
It's right here. Oh, upside down 6. Let me see, because these smallies, she's not really rocking. Here, Mama. I could tell. It's not a toy. It's one. You know what it is? One of those things that you use to brush their teeth with. She like, girl, I don't have time for this foolishness. Oh my goodness. Well, she playing with it right now, so I'll just let her play with it. All right, you guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna take advantage of a little bit of free time. Hubby's on his way in, and I had a meeting with one of the members of Sid's team, right? Because we have so many people. And that's Solange coming in. And Solange. I'm calling her Solange because that's what Sydney calls her. Yvonne is coming in. And so I'm going to take advantage of her having to reschedule, right? I don't have anything I need to do, but it's a ton of things I want to do, but I need to chill. So I'm just going to take advantage of that. Stuffed shells are in the oven right now. And I'm using that spaghetti sauce I showed you the other day. Carbone. Yeah, I'm looking at the jar right now with the peppers and all. So yes on that. But yeah. All right. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.